the station, gonna buy a ticket to ride. I'm gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Gonna ride till the sun comes up and down, round about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, singing songs for the people we meet. Get along with it all, where the people say y'all. Sing a song with a friend, change the shape that I'm in, and get back in the game, start playing again. I'd like to stay, but I might have to go, start over again. Go back down to Texas, go to some